can imagine, these are the steps to where my house was. This is the foundation of my house. And the force of the water somehow took my house 100 yards that way.
I kept an office right here. When the water came in, it actually started coming in the middle of the house through the vents. We literally watched it go up each step, and we got out onto the roof.
I've been around different spots all over the world. I always brought a tear to my eye nearly when I come up the valley and look back through here and see all these mountains where I grew up at.
Because we had no flood insurance on the house, because we are not in the flood zone, they won't sell you flood insurance.
We've definitely lost our sense of stability, so we've frantically been trying to figure out what are we gonna do.
I'm Deborah Massey. We came here 2 weeks ago. What I saw when I was here was that winter is coming and people had no shelter. I knew I couldn't just go to bed, go on my merry old way, and not do something. Thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much.
There's a TV, the heater. Maybe we can put up a Christmas tree.
Oh, you should get like a small Christmas tree.
A tiny little one.
Wow, this is so nice. It's beautiful.
We help you out?
Nice to sleep in the bed again.
Yes, it will.
I slept on an air mattress for a month. Yep, you could cook me dinner.
Yeah, that'll happen.
Without this trailer, I don't know what we'd do. I mean, really, our home is not livable.
The community outside of Western North Carolina has come together. My pals in Nashville bringing me a camper and just giving me a home to live in. That's been absolutely wonderful. It was great to see my kindergarten teacher also get a camper. The smile on her face was priceless.
There's others who are going to get a chance to see this video. What would you like to say to those people about what this means to you guys and what this could mean to maybe even other families out there that are still displaced right now?
It really, really means a lot, and I hope that everybody gets a home. It's so hard without a home.